Every organization begins with a vision to solve problems, create value, and build something that lasts. Quadrant is built on excellent customer deliverables and trust. Quadrant began its journey from a small 2 BHK workspace in Hyderabad, a lean team supporting US operations, learning fast and delivering consistently. Quadrant scaled into structured day and night operations. The team expanded, project scope increased, and delivery became more complex and more consistent. The next phase was defined by enterprise delivery. Quadrant strengthened Microsoft project execution with larger teams and higher impact outcomes. Then came the expansion phase. Quadrant scaled rapidly from hundreds to over 1,000 professionals. The focus deepened into Azure data programs and large-scale enterprise execution and providing global delivery services to counterparts like India, Mexico, US, and Canada. Our progress is driven by strong values that shape every engagement: innovation, trust, commitment, collaboration, and a customer-centric approach. This wasn't just growth in numbers, it was a transition in identity into Quadrant Technologies, built for global delivery, innovation, and platform-led solutions. Today, Quadrant Technologies operates at global scale, with 3,000 plus professionals, presence across 10 plus countries and 18 locations, and delivery for 50 plus clients. Quadrant supports organizations with speed, reliability, and continuous execution. Quadrant delivers mission-critical programs for global enterprises, including Microsoft, Google, Amazon, United Airlines, eBay, and Salesforce, across cloud ecosystems like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. With recognitions like Deloitte Fast 500, INC 5000, and Partner Finalist of the Year, Quadrant continues to earn trust through consistent execution and measurable results. As a Microsoft solution partner, Quadrant delivers programs across unified data platforms, cloud migration, and AI analytics. Products like HuoMigrator, Cerebrix, Crypta.ai, and Amplify.aoi to accelerate smarter, faster enterprise transformation. Growth also means building opportunity. With a standalone office in Warangal, Quadrant expanded its delivery strength, supported the APAC region, and built a strong talent ecosystem in Tier 2 cities. From a small 2 BHK start to global enterprise delivery, this journey was built with discipline, trust, and the belief that excellence is earned every day. We're ready to build the future together. Let's build the future together because Quadrant is not just a company, it's the people who built it. Are you ready?